Yo, losing my mind, trying to find peace within the kind while I'm smoking the vine. So walking on wine, always on the grind, looking through the blind. They gon' be, come for me in due time. Suicide by cop if it comes to time. I did the crime if I spit the rhyme. Here's the line, green bean, TC, fiend, heat, king, cash, motherfucking over everything. Step in the ring, get knocked the fuck out. Not on my team, best watch your punk mouth. I made a fucking living out of knocking drunks out. All day, every day, drinking my pain away. Smoked out, loped out, taking my brain away. Just trying to race all the stupid ass things you say, motherfucker.
Think I'm losing my mind, yeah, I might be going crazy. Think I'm losing my mind, yeah, I must be going crazy. Think I'm losing my mind, yeah, I might be going crazy. Think I'm losing my mind, yeah, I must be going crazy.
With a hole in my chest ever since you left, and I've been trying to do my best, but there ain't nothing left beneath my breast. Just an ice cold, empty hole, black as cold, bless my soul. Fetal position, yeah, that's my home. Taking Xanax and Percocet straight to the dome. Manic depressed and I'm on my own, wishing that death would take me on. Overdosing, you know the potion. Taking these pills in a slower motion. I flow an ocean, roll smoking, blown and joking, stoned and roasting. No one even knowing that I'm homeless, hopeless and doses. Taking these pills just so I can stay fucking focused.
Think I'm losing my mind, yeah, I must be going crazy. Think I'm losing my mind, yeah, I might be going crazy. Think I'm losing my mind, yeah, I must be going